Hello, I am Professor Shurita Paul, Principal of Burdwan Medical College, West Bengal. Today I will be answering the frequently asked questions regarding COVID-19 vaccinations. The COVID-19 vaccine, as it has been launched from the 16th of January in India, till now not much side effects have been noticed. In West Bengal, more than 40,000 people have already been taken the first dose of vaccine. The adverse events observed is less than 1 per 1,000. So you can consider this to be a safe vaccine. It is difficult to say like that, but the observed ones are as any other vaccine, ranging from the soreness of the vaccination site, like it's been given mostly in the intramuscular region of the arm. So there is some sort of pain in the injection site, maybe some swelling. Some have experienced a bit of nausea, dizziness, which are very minor side effects. Nothing very much serious has yet been observed. The first phase, it is for the healthcare workers. Now the people who are the healthcare workers are receiving the vaccine. After this, there will be the frontline workers for the COVID-19, the police personnel and the people who are in direct contact or who have been working for the COVID patients. Then it is for the people who are aged above 50 and with comorbid condition, and this is the way how it is being planned. I got myself vaccinated on the first day. Actually, my college, we have had a session site and I was the third person in the session site. Universally in West Bengal, we started off, the first person to be vaccinated was one of our Kormo Bondhus, that is one of our scavenging staff who has been working tirelessly in this COVID pandemic. And after that, the second person was the nodal officer for the COVID lab, RT-PCR lab, and then I got myself vaccinated. The experience was good. During vaccination, there is hardly any thing you can realize. It's just like any other injection. And it has been planned in a very nice manner. There are 3 rooms. First, you have to come to the help desk. Then your identity is checked, one SMS comes to the CoWIN portal and then it is verified. Then a person is asked to wait in the waiting hall, and then one by one they enter into the vaccination area. Again, once more the identity is verified. The I-card, like for if it is a PAN card, Aadhaar card or even a driving license, it is noted down. And then together at the same time in the CoWIN app, the person is getting vaccinated, that is updated. And then the vaccine is given and then the person is asked to wait in the observation area for at least 30 minutes. We have a robust system of observing post-vaccination. There is a doctor who is responsible to take care of any adverse event that may occur. In my institute, we have had a small area which has been converted to a ward. There is all the amenities are there, oxygen cylinder and things like that, one ambulance to transport the person if required to the main hospital. We have a separate dedicated ward. We have the adverse events monitoring team. We are very, very cautious regarding any untoward event that might happen after vaccination, and so that we can take appropriate care of that person if any adverse events occur. Luckily, till now, nothing of that seriousness has happened, but that doesn't mean that we are becoming a little casual or relaxed. We are on our toes to tackle any odd event that might take place. But thank God, till now, we haven't had such events. Yeah, of course, I'm perfectly okay. I had a little bit of pain in my arm, which is similar to when you receive a tetanus toxoid injection. But it was there for maybe 24 hours and then absolutely fine. After 30 minutes of observation, I was in charge of the whole session and I was as busy as ever, running around, and some people jokingly said that ma'am has become hyperactive after the vaccine. So it's fine, it's nothing to be apprehensive about. Definitely taking the vaccine is a better option than not taking it. First and foremost thing is that social distancing, wearing the mask, hand sanitization, this is going to continue for a long period. It's not that once you are vaccinated that I have received my first dose of vaccine and I'll just stop wearing my mask or following the COVID norms. That is very essential. Actually, we have a huge population in India. In the first phase, not everybody will be vaccinated. We are aiming at herd immunity. So it's very important that people who are vaccinated, since we are in it is initial stage and other strains of COVID might also come, we don't know what exactly is waiting ahead of us. But vaccine, this is in the history of mankind in such a short time, less than 1 year. 22nd of March we had the first Janta curfew and 16th of January we have got ourselves vaccinated. This is something which we can feel proud of. And last but not the least, we have lost lakhs of people around the globe. Due to this COVID, we have lost many of our medical fraternity, many very near and dear ones of our fraternity, and in the world so many people we have lost to COVID. So the battle is still on. This is just another step ahead in the battle, but we have not won the battle yet. So we need to be very careful. Hope you have liked this video. Please don't forget to press the like button, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.